reactions. We are aware about organic chemistry having heterocyclic chemistry. We are aware about its basics from where a lot of questions come: sp3, sp2 hybridization, electronegativity, inductivity, aromaticity, Huckel's rule. So it itself has got a wide array of questions which pop up from organic chemistry. Any idea what are the percentage of question paper which is asked from chemistry? I'm saying the word chemistry, okay? I'm not specific to organic chemistry. When I say chemistry, I mean everything. Physical chemistry, organic chemistry, medicinal chemistry, sab kuch. What is the percentage of questions which turn up when you're writing your GPAT, NIPER, or any other such entrances when it comes to organic chemistry or chemistry as a whole? Any idea? Come on, quick yes or no. Any random number would do. Come on, let's give it a try. एक try तो करो. Can we type in the chat box? Chat box मिल रहा है सबको? क्या हो गया? Lack of snacks? नाश्ता नहीं किया? Public. अभी there. Sudarshan, Gayatri, Dhanashri. I hope I'm clearly audible. Bindya, Akshay, Chanchal, धीरज, कौस्तुभ. मैं अटेंडेंस थोड़ी ना ले रहा हूँ यार. चलो पाऊ confirmed in. Okay, so Bindya says 36 to 38 questions for our entrances like GPAT, NIPER come around chemistry. Just for information, I hope all of you are aware that your GPAT is a entrance wherein you have got 125 questions and you have got 3 hours, while your NIPER is an entrance wherein you have got 200 questions and 2 hours. I hope you are aware about this basics. Yes, नाइपर में 75 क्वेश्चन ज्यादा है, टाइम कम है. 200 क्वेश्चन के अगेंस्ट सिर्फ 2 आवर्स है. जीपैट में 125 क्वेश्चन है और 125 क्वेश्चन के अगेंस्ट टाइम 3 आवर्स है. फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन, chemistry as a whole, when it comes to GPAT, occupies 25% of minimum questions. 25% of 125 is approximately 30 questions. As Bindya mentioned, 36 to 38. So round about the number of questions which turn around from this zone, this domain, are around 30 questions. And usme se bhi, if you want to be far more specific, that what would be the number of questions on organic chemistry? Now I'm saying number of questions. At least, worst of the days, there would be 5 questions out of those 30 questions which would deal around name reactions. At least, I'm saying the least. ज़्यादा तो और भी जा सकता है, but I'm talking on the lower ground. On lower grounds, at least 5 questions would be there which would play around only and only from this domain of chemistry. So what are we here to do with? In next 1 hour, we'll be going across few name reactions. We'll be keeping a track that how should we go about this name reactions. Like if I tell you a simple name reaction like RMGX, which name reaction has this reagent RMGX, alkyl magnesium halide, is a reagent for which name reaction? Come on. See, there are few simple rules for our lectures. Participate. Even if we go wrong, it's totally fine. पर participate करना जरूरी है. जब तक हम गलती नहीं करेंगे, पता कैसे चलेगा that what is correct and what is wrong. Second thing, if you don't understand anything, if you feel I'm going fast, if you want me to slow down, if my speed is more, and if there is a language barrier, don't worry. Whatever I'm saying in English, that same thing I'm repeating in Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, and other languages. If you don't get anything, feel free to ask me to repeat. I'm totally okay with it. I'll be enjoying it more than perfect. When I said RMGX, when I said alkyl magnesium halide, a good number of us could answer, right? Grignard reagent. But now when I turn around, when I say that the reagent is NH2NH2, hydrazine, which is the name reaction in which we have the reagent NH2NH2? Come on. I'll be more than happy to see answers for this as well. Quick. Try karo. Even if we go wrong, it's totally fine. Tejas, Babu, Nikita, Akash, Kaustubh, Nihal, give it a go. Vindhya, try karo. Even if we go wrong, it's okay. Which name reaction it is? Or not courteous. Good try, Nihal. Anything else? Anything else? Anyone else? Any other try? Good try, Nihal. Anyone else? Any other tries? नहीं याद है. नहीं याद है. हाइड्रोजन कहाँ पे देखा था? कनिका, साक्षी, पूजा, ऋषि. Any idea where did we come across this? Perfect, Yoginder. Good one, good one. On point, Bandya. Basically, hydrazine, which is NH2, NH2, two molecules of NH2 together, is only in two reactions in your entire syllabus of B pharmacy. NH2, NH2 is only in two reactions, out of which it is there only in one name reaction, which is Wolff-Kishner reduction. Ab RMGX alkyl magnesium halide was also there with one reaction only. So we all could recollect that it is basically with Grignard reaction. But when it comes to NH2, NH2, when it comes to hydrazine, why are we not able to recollect that it is only and only with Wolff-Kishner reduction? Except Wolff-Kishner reduction, no name reaction in organic chemistry has got NH2, NH2 as a reagent. So you said it's there with one more reaction. Yes, I said it's with one more reaction. I didn't say it is with one more name reaction. Sandeep, good trying. Clemenson is a different part. Clemenson पे आएंगे very soon. Coming back over here, when I talk about NH2, 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 NH2 is also there in your oxazone test. Remember semester 2 biochemistry, monosaccharides, disaccharides. Over there also we had oxazone test. Only if you recollect. If you don't recollect, it's totally fine. Don't worry. We are not supposed to dwell in the past. One by one, with every name reaction, what it is, which is specific to that name reaction, is going to be our focus. The next 45 minutes to an hour, we'll discuss about a set of name reactions which belongs to different chapters. I repeat my words. We are going to talk about name reactions which are going to belong to different chapters. But at the end of the day, our focus would be that those name reactions are on same grounds. Those name reactions have got same principles. We are supposed to ensure that we do those name reactions together. Crystal clear? Crystal clear? Are we good to go? Can I get a quick confirmation? Just one yes. Are we good to go? The speed is comfortable, the language is comfortable, you are able to grab it. I'm not too slow, I'm not too fast. All right. Thank you so much. Just for information, I won't go much in depth with regards to our achievements of the past, but just one quick go. Our target for GPAT and NIPER has been very clear that you should get All India rank 01 only with a score of 500 on 500. Just for information, our best rank of NIPER 2020 was All India rank 01 in Pharma MBA category. Again, a open category only, no reservation. In NIPER 2020, we achieved our dream of All India rank 01. In NIPER 2021, our best rank was All India rank 12. So the target is very much clear. It has to be NIPER Mohali. Why NIPER Mohali? Why not any other NIPERs? Probably after 7 we can discuss that in detail. Let's get started. First and foremost, few name reactions which we would be doing over here might be known to you. So there I expect you to answer in there. I expect you to participate in. Yes, there will be few twists on the slides. There would be few errors on the slides. So don't accept things as they are coming. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? Don't accept the way things are coming. Participate, talk, and ensure that you get your doubts through. Crystal clear? Disha, let's get going. Rishi, Chal. Here we go with the first reaction. How many of us have heard about this uncle? Words reaction, 11th standard, 12th standard. No, I also remember I did words reaction in my semester 3, right? Organic chemistry. Again, we did it over there. In your entire organic chemistry, let's summarize it. In your entire organic chemistry, what and which number of reactions are there where the carbon number increases? ऐसे कितने नेम रिएक्शंस है पूरे ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में जहाँ पे कार्बन नंबर बढ़ता है फ्रॉम रिएक्टेंट टू प्रोडक्ट? लेट्स अज्यूम रिएक्टेंट में 2 कार्बन है तो प्रोडक्ट में 3 कार्बन हो जाते हैं या 4 कार्बन हो जाते हैं. ऐसे कितने नेम रिएक्शंस है पूरे ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में? डोंट वरी रोहित, स्टेप बाय स्टेप विल टैप अपॉन एवरीथिंग. समझेगा? नहीं समझेगा तो लेट मी नो. Perfect. It was in synthesis of alkane. Grignard reagent carbon number increases by 1. Sandeep says there are 4 reactions in which number of carbon increases. Let's get an idea. As of now, एक हो गया words reaction in which carbon number increases. दूसरा हो गया Grignard reaction, right? You only said in the beginning. Grignard reaction भी देखेंगे in detail maybe some other day. We saw Grignard reaction in our 12th standard, correct? Alcohol chapter. Sandeep, you are going on wrong lines. Smith, Curtius, Lawson, ये सारे reactions में number of carbon decreases by 1. From reactant to product, it decreases by 1. Over here, we are talking about number of carbon increasing from reactant to product. It increases in Grignard, it increases in Wurtz reaction, it increases in fatigue reaction, it increases in Wurtz fatigue reaction, and it also increases in reaction where you react it with cyanide. Kitna hua? How many? Can I say there are four? No, there are five. It's totally fine, Sandeep. Participate karna, chance lena is more important rather than being static. So you are giving it a try. It's totally fine. We came across five name reactions now, right? In total, now there are five reactions in which from reactant to product, the number of carbon is going to increase by one. एक एक करके हम सारे reaction तो देख नहीं पाएंगे. Except Grignard reaction, I'll showcase all the four reactions over here within next 15 minutes or so. I repeat, one reaction is Grignard reaction, another is Wurtz reaction, then you have fatigue reaction, then you have Wurtz fatigue, and then you have reaction with cyanide, HCN, CuCN. That's how it goes. Don't worry, one by one, let's look into all of them. First one, when I talk about Wurtz reaction, for your information, Wurtz reaction is the only reaction. I'm audible, right? Mark my words, what I'm saying very clearly. Wurtz reaction is the only name reaction in your entire organic chemistry where your number of carbon from reactant to product doubles up. What did I say? Number of carbon from your reactant to product doubles up in an aliphatic system. I repeat my words, in an aliphatic system. I hope we understand aliphatic and aromatic, right? Aliphatic alkyl system is CH3Cl and all. समझ में आ रहा है what I'm trying to say? Aliphatic means methyl, ethyl, bromyl, propyl, alkyl groups. And when I say aromatic system, I'll have cyclic rings in place. Correct? Crystal clear, my friend? We are on one line. Let's look after Wurtz reaction first. So if I check Wurtz reaction over here, the basic thing what we had learned in our 11-12 standard, let's look after that. Don't get over here. Focus on what I'm writing on screen. I've basically got two molecules of alkyl halide, Rx plus Rx, which reacts in presence of two molecules of sodium. I've done nothing different. I've just splitted up what they had written. They had written two molecules of alkyl halide. I've splitted that. They had written two molecules of sodium. I've splitted that. Now, these reagents are reacting in presence of dry ether. I repeat my words. These reagents are reacting in presence of dry ether. What happens over here is two molecules of sodium will take with it two molecules of halogen. Common practice, right? Sodium halogen को लेके जाता है, correct? Hello, we are all aware, right? Anuja, Akshay, Animesh, Aman. Sodium halogen को लेके जाएगा, so it will move out as -2NaX. You can write it on arrow as well, -2NaX. And both these alkyl groups come together. दोनों RR साथ में आ जाता है, correct? And that's where you get your alkane. I hope you all remember we did Wurtz reaction in synthesis of alkenes as a chapter. That's where we did it in semester 3, and that's where we did it in our 11-12 standard as well. Going further, when I talk about Wurtz reaction, like reactions, let's take an example over here. When I talk about Wurtz reaction, and if say suppose I am having over here methyl bromide, CH3Br as a reactant, which alkane will I get into product? Which alkane will I get into product? If I have CH3Br as a reactant, which alkane will I get into product? Come on, fast, fast, fast. Participate, people. Even if we go wrong, it's okay. Participate करना जरूरी है. Come on, fast, fast. Ethane, right? Ethane, alkane बनेगा. Side effect, byproduct we are not bothered about. One of the byproduct would be butane नहीं आएगा. Observe what happened over here. ये दोनों R group साथ में आ गए थे ना. Only those two alkyl groups came together. Correct? Correct, Niyal? वो सिर्फ दोनों alkyl group साथ में आ गए थे. On same grounds, over here both the methyl groups will come together. दोनों methyl group अगर साथ में आ जाते हैं तो I'll write CH3 and CH3 together. CH3 and CH3 together makes what? Can I call it ethane? Are we clear now? Did the carbon number double up? Was it methyl bromide getting converted into ethane? Was it methyl bromide getting converted into ethane? Yes, your byproduct is sodium bromide. Two molecules of sodium. We'll take both this bromide with this, and you will have two molecules of sodium bromide. Correct? Are we able to observe? In entrance, No one is going to ask me byproduct. So don't keep your focus on byproduct. Secondly, Shweta, good trying Rohit, मीथेन कभी भी बन ही नहीं सकता है. मीथेन मतलब कितना कार्बन? Meth means one carbon, right? Meth means one carbon. Methane can never be formed in Ward's reaction. Ward's reaction में minimum 2 कार्बन वाला अल्केन बनता है. Ward's reaction में minimum 2 कार्बन वाला अल्केन बनता है. Methane is an alkane which has only one carbon. So can I ever prepare methane via Ward's reaction? The answer is big no. How the question comes up in exam? The question be methane cannot be prepared by which of the following reactions? And one of the options would be Ward's reaction. In GPAT, no one is going to ask you to write mechanism. No one is going to ask you to write detailed reaction. No, the questions will be twisted. They'll ask you methane cannot be prepared by which of the following reactions? Answer is Ward's reaction. Again, what is the way you identify Ward's reaction? जैसे RMGX से आप आइडेंटिफाई करते हो ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएक्शन, वैसे ऐसा क्या है जिससे आप वर्ड्स रिएक्शन आइडेंटिफाई करते हो? कम ऑन फास्ट. ऐसा क्या है जिससे आप वर्ड्स रिएक्शन? गुड वन संदीप. Entire organic chemistry, there are hardly 5 reactions. How many? There are hardly 5 reactions which has got dry ether on arrow. Arrow पे dry ether वाले सिर्फ 5 name reactions है, one of which is words reaction. उससे भी easiest way to identify words reaction is having 2 molecules of Rx with 2 molecules of sodium. Once you have this 2 molecules of Rx with this 2 molecules of sodium, it is straight away words reaction. याद रहेगा? Any rocket science? Are we good to go? Are we crystal clear? Speed is optimum and nothing is a challenge. Let's proceed. Let's go to the next name reaction. Let's go to the next name reaction. Wait, what is the doubt from this? What happened over here basically was I had my दोनों RR साथ में आ गए. If you observe strongly over here, C2H5 था. Again, when you are studying for GPAT, no one is going to ask you to write mechanism, so don't go in detailed part. Just identify that there are of dry ether, it is only and only words reaction. In fact, in your entire organic chemistry, there are only 3 reactions which has got 2 molecules of sodium. You can identify words on the basis of that as well. Going further, let's talk about fatigue reaction. Now, there is going to be some similarity between whatever reactions we are doing now. Words or fatigue में कुछ common है. Then we are going to do Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction together. उनमें कुछ common है. Heard about Baeyer-Williger rearrangement? Ashutosh, Arun, Animesh, Vindhya, have you heard about Baeyer-Williger rearrangement? Have you heard about Favorsky? Baeyer-Williger and Favorsky will take together. तो जो नेम रिएक्शंस कोरिलेटेड है, जिनमें प्रोडक्ट कहीं ना कहीं पे सिंक्ड है, those name reactions will do together, and while studying even you will do it together because there is some relation between them wherein you can remember them in an easy way and not confuse yourself. Let's get an idea one by one. If I talk about fatigue, what happens in fatigue reaction? In fatigue reaction, I've got 2 molecules. This 2 was missing. I've added it. In fatigue reaction, I've got 2 molecules of aromatic halide. Can I say chlorobenzene is nothing but phenyl chloride? How many of you agree? How many of you say chlorobenzene is phenyl chloride? And how many of you say chlorobenzene is benzyl chloride? Chlorobenzene is phenyl chloride or benzyl chloride? What it is? Fast. No, Kastu. No, Rohit. No. Chalo, Tejas got it right. Now, this is something basic where a good amount of us, where a good number of us go wrong. What are you talking, sir? What is this? एक एक करके देखते. What is this? Is this benzene? Is this benzene which I just made? Is this benzene? Yes, sir. Even this is benzene. Is this benzene? Yes, sir. Even this is benzene. तीनों के तीनों benzene है. Now, if I say this same benzene, I want to write it. Can I say this is C6H6? Is even this benzene? C6H6 is also benzene. Perfect, Meena. On same grounds, If this C6H6 becomes C6H5, what do you call it? जब C6H6 से C6H5 होता है, what do you call it? Rohit, rejoin. I suppose there's a network issue at your point. Perfect. When C6H6 gets converted into C6H5, you call it phenyl, correct? And वो phenyl के ऊपर अभी आपने chloride attach कर दिया है. So chlorobenzene is phenyl chloride. So what would be benzyl chloride? Benzyl chloride would be something like this. So this is benzyl. Benzene के ऊपर जब CH2 group होता है, that's the moment you call it benzyl chloride. Got the idea? Got the idea? Benzene के ऊपर जब benzene के ऊपर जब CH2 group होता है, only then you call it benzyl. And to that CH2 group, when you attach Cl, you call it benzyl chloride. So this is benzyl chloride. This is phenyl chloride. Anyone can help me with structure of benzoyl chloride? Benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl. Benzoyl. ZOYL. This is the structure of benzoyl chloride. Please understand this minor differences are very important. Stronger the IUPAC, easier the name reaction. Good one, Sandeep. So this first structure is your benzyl chloride. Second structure is phenyl chloride or chlorobenzene. And your third structure is benzoyl. You want me to write the spelling? It is benzoyl chloride. Clear till here? IUPAC clear? Reactant का नाम clear हुआ? It is benzoyl. It's being said about the carbonyl group with the help of ZOYL. Now let's come back to fatigue reaction. Methoxy group आता है, that time it is anisole or toluene. Someone just raised it in the chat box, so I thought of taking it up. If on benzene I have OCH3, what do I call it? Is it anisole or is it toluene? Come on, fast. Benzene पे जब OCH3 आता है, I call it anisole or toluene. Good one, Niyaz. It's anisole. Benzene पे जब OCH3 होता है, you call it anisole. और जब benzene पे CH3 होता है, तब आप उसको क्या बोलते हो? These are all of our 12 standards. Don't worry, as we proceed further, we'll discuss about them one by one with each name reaction. This is toluene. On benzene, when you have CH3, that time it is toluene. Are we crystal clear with this basic nomenclatures now? Second one is toluene. First one over here is anisole. Let's come back to fatigue reaction. Can we? वापस fatigue reaction पे आ जाए दोस्त. पूजा, साक्षी, कनिका, चल. So if I observe my fatigue reaction, basically in fatigue reaction also I've got dry ether. In fatigue reaction also I've got 2 molecules of sodium. In fatigue reaction my 2 molecules of chlorobenzene are reacting. Be careful. Over here it was Rx. The only difference over here is it is 2ARX. 2ARX. Product is going to be the same. 2 molecules of sodium will take 2 molecules of halide with it and you will get a byproduct of plus 2 NaX. There is going to be no change with regards to that. What will happen is, what happened in case of Wittig? Wittig mein both the R groups came together, right? In case of Wittig reaction, both the R groups came together. In case of this, both the aromatic rings would come together. दोनों aromatic group एक दूसरे के साथ आ जाएंगे. Are we crystal clear now? Are we crystal clear now what happened? People, Animesh, Anmol, Akshay, Arun. So when it was Wittig reaction के case में it was aliphatic systems coming together. But in case of fatigue reaction, it is aromatic systems coming together. Both the phenyl rings came together, so you call it biphenyl. Clear till here? Any doubts? Any questions? Any queries in your mind? Speed optimum. Good to go. Shivraj, chale aage. Let's go to the third name reaction. Dipesh, third name reaction is words fatigue. What do we identify with the word words fatigue? क्या समझ में आ रहा है? Can I say यहाँ पे शायद एक अल्काइल ग्रुप भी होगा and यहाँ पे शायद एक aromatic group भी होगा, right? Because words reaction was dealing with aliphatic, fatigue was dealing with aromatic, and now when I have the word words fatigue, I'm expecting that aliphatic and aromatic both would be there. Correct, Dheeraj? Correct, Pooja? Let's observe what happens. The reactant in case of words fatigue reaction involves one aromatic halide प्लीज 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 डोंट गो रॉन्ग। ब्रोमोबेंजीन का दूसरा नाम क्या आएगा? व्हाट वुड बी अनदर नेम फॉर ब्रोमोबेंजीन? व्हाट वुड बी अनदर नेम फॉर ब्रोमोबेंजीन? What would be another name for bromobenzene? Thanks a lot, Tejas. Perfect. Phenyl bromide. जैसे नीचे किया था दोस्त, the way we did for chlorobenzene, we said ना it is phenyl chloride. Same way this is phenyl bromide. सिर्फ halogen ही अलग है. Rest everything is same. Thanks Pooja, Nihal, Dhanashri to participate in. Come back. So you said words reaction, so there has to be aliphatic halide. दिखा है aliphatic halide? Yes sir, there is aliphatic halide RBr. You said fatigue reaction, so there has to be aromatic halide. Yes, sir, there is a aromatic halide. Now, the things are going to stay the same. On arrow, I have dry ether. I also have got two molecules of sodium. These two molecules of sodium will take one bromine from here. It will take another bromine from here, and it will move out as two molecules of sodium bromide. Was this same thing happening in case of Bird's reaction? Yes, sir. Was the same thing happening in case of fatigue reaction? Yes, sir. In case of words, both the RR were coming together. In case of fatigue, both the aromatic groups would come together. In case of words fatigue, R from here and aromatic group from here, they both would come together. So very obviously, my both the halogens have gone out and my CH3 would come and sit over here. So what I get into product is going to be nothing but a benzene ring with the CH3 group onto it. Can I say this is nothing but toluene? Can I say this is toluene? Can I say this is toluene? आप बेंजीन पे यहाँ पे CH3 लगाओ या आप बेंजीन पे यहाँ पे CH3 लगाओ, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. They both are toluene only. Correct? Correct? तीनों नेम रिएक्शन ऑब्जर्व करो. आई एम आस्किंग यू वन क्वेश्चन. ठीक है? टेक योर टाइम. डोंट गो रॉन्ग. वी प्ले अ पॉइंटर सॉर्ट ऑफ सिस्टम. हमारे में एक चैलेंज लगेगा. एंड में जिसका स्कोर ज्यादा होगा वो विनर रहेगा. बेस्ट ऑफ 5. जिसका पहले 5 हुआ वो विनर. Question goes this way. Out of these three name reactions, be careful with what I'm saying. Out of these three name reactions, does every name reaction give me reactant to product number of carbon getting doubled? True or false? In every name reaction which is being mentioned over here, does every name reaction give me double the number of carbons from reactant to product? कितने सारे लोग गलत आंसर दे रहे यार. Not a single person said false. चलो, thanks Dhanashri, Mohit, Madhukar, Shreya, Sanskriti, Adi, Babu, you guys could identify that we are wrong. What did I say? I said reactant to product, the number of carbon should get double. 1 point to me. Anil, scoreboard आप maintain करो अभी. I said from reactant to product, the number of carbon should get double. So if I am saying reactant to product number of carbon double होना है, words में हो रहा है ना सर? Fitting में हो रहा है ना सर? Phenyl से biphenyl हो गया. Is it happening in words fitting? Is it happening in words fitting? No sir, it's not happening. My point ना, मेरा एक point. ठीक है? ऋषि my point, मेरा point है. Good to go. याद रहेगा? Now how question comes up in entrances? The question won't be on such easy grounds. They'll say out of the following name reactions, which name reaction causes the increase in number of carbons by doubling? Reactant to product, the number of carbon doubles. That would be the question. You will have 4 options A, B, C, D. एक words होगा, एक fitting होगा, एक words fitting होगा, and D option होगा both A and B. What will you mark? अब मैंने question उल्टा पूछा. मैंने इस बार ऐसा पूछा है number of carbons reactant to product में double होना चाहिए. So which name reactions are the ones in which this happens? Perfect. Both A and B. Be careful. Identify question perfectly. Don't be in a hurry. 5 क्वेश्चन ऑन एन एवरेज हर एक बंदा सिली एरर करके आता है. So the more carefulness you have while looking at the question, better it would be. Crystal clear? Are we good to go? Speed is optimum and everything. Let's move to the next set of questions. So when it comes to name reactions, you are going to do these 3 name reactions together. वो एक चैप्टर में है, वो अलग चैप्टर में है, we don't care. बट जब हम एंट्रेंस के लिए पढ़ेंगे, हम तीनों नेम रिएक्शन साथ में पढ़ेंगे. हम मैकेनिज्म नहीं करने वाले हैं. इन जी पार्ट नो वन इज गोइंग टू आस्क यू मैकेनिज्म्स. प्लीज डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम इन दैट. Meanwhile, I have pinned one feedback form in the chat box. It's a request that you fill in the feedback form so that we can get an idea of things where we need to improvise further. And for the further continuation of demo lectures, which would be happening on next Sundays, only this registration data will be getting the links. If you want to sit for demo lecture on next Sunday as well, just fill in this feedback form, please. Those link would be there only. Don't worry. Coming back over here, अभी तक 3 नेम रिएक्शन हुए. अब मेरा सबसे फेवरेट वाला रिएक्शन, वॉल्फ फिश्नर रिडक्शन. फर्स्ट स्लाइड में आपने कुछ तो बताया था. वॉल्फ फिश्नर रिडक्शन में कौन सा रिएजेंट था बाबू सर? आपने कुछ करेक्शन भी बताया था, ऑक्साजोन और सक्सोजोन. परफेक्ट. हाइड्रोजीन NH2 वाज द नेम. गुड ट्राई निहाल. आएगा वो इसके बाद है. कंफ्यूज हो रहा है दादा. डोंट बी इन अ हरी. Hydrazine NH2 is the reagent whereby I can identify Wolff-Fishner reduction very easily. ये पूरा का पूरा उसका mechanism है. We'll talk step by step. Don't worry. But there are few important things which we first need to take into consideration on basic grounds before we proceed further. Rishi, just help me to understand one thing. When I say reduction, can I say reduction matlab removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen? Do you all agree with this? Does everyone agree this? Does everyone agree this? Perfect, Nihal. Okay, so we all are sure that reduction means removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. So somewhere in this entire name reaction, oxygen would come out, which might be there in the reactant, and in product hydrogen will get added, right? Let's observe. This is my reactant. Over here, there is nothing means, actually this is written in bond line formula, so you have got CH3, CH3. 3 कार्बन का कीटोन क्या होता है? 3 कार्बन के कीटोन को क्या बोलते हैं? अरे जो सिस्टर्स यूज करती है नेल पेंट रिमूवर, एसीटोन. करेक्ट. करेक्ट. ओवर हियर इज एसीटोन. कोई नहीं पूछेगा, डोंट वरी. द ओनली रीजन टू आस्क यू इज समथिंग एल्स. कैन आई से दिस इज अ कीटोन? कैन आई से दिस इज अ कीटोन? For your information, your reactant for Wolff-Fishner reduction will always be either a ketone or it will be a aldehyde. कीटोन या aldehyde के सिवाय और कुछ भी इसका रिएक्टेंट नहीं हो सकता है. याद रहेगा बॉस? Keep it in mind, its reactant would always be ketone and aldehyde. Now, going further, I'm not going to explain you the entire concept. I'm not going to explain you the entire name reaction. But trust me, at the end, whatever example I'll ask you as a part of my question, you will be able to answer that. And I'm 1000% sure on that. Let's observe it one by one. What is happening over here is I have got my reactant, which is acetone, ketone. Over here, I've got my hydrazine, NH2. From here there are two hydrogens. Just for information, आप NH2 को ऐसे लिखो या आप NH2 को ऐसे लिखो. It's one and the same. Ultimately it is hydrazine only. There is no difference in that. ठीक है? I hope you all are aware. No doubts with regards to this, right? I hope you all are aware that even this is methyl chloride and even this is methyl chloride. Correct? ये दोनों methyl chloride ही है. Am I correct? Am I correct? IUPAC, my friends. Hello. But if I have to think out of this two methyl chloride, which one is more optimum? Which one is more appropriate? पहला वाला कि दूसरा वाला? कौन सा वाला methyl chloride ज़्यादा appropriate है? Why second one? योगिंदर says both, आशीर्वाद says both. हमारे books ने हमको सिखाया कि दोनों सही है. But fact of the matter is that second one is more optimum. Why? Perfect, Priyal. Basically, when we do name reactions, that bonding which is there, वो कार्बन और क्लोराइड का बॉन्ड होता है. तो जब आप इसको स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला में लिखते हो इंस्टेड ऑफ मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला, द क्लोरीन इज गेटिंग बाउंड टू द कार्बन. दैट्स द रीजन सेकंड वन इज मोर ऑप्टिमम. ऑल्दो आवर टेक्स्ट बुक से दिस, दैट्स द रीजन वी गो विद दिस एज वेल. एनीवेज, लेट्स कम बैक ओवर हियर. तो हाइड्रोजीन ऐसे भी लिखा जाता है, हाइड्रोजीन ऐसे भी लिखा जाता है. बोथ आर वन एंड द सेम. व्हाट हैपेंस ओवर हियर इज two molecules of hydrogen takes away oxygen with it, minus H2O बन के चला जाएगा. What happens next is your entire NNH2, दिख रहा है? Your entire NNH2 is getting combined with carbon. Has that happened? Can you observe? सिर्फ दोनों आके bind हो गए. Correct? Correct? सिर्फ कार्बन नाइट्रोजन बाइंड हो गया. दिख रहा है दादा? गायत्री, अक्षता, करिश्मा, कनिका, are we able to observe it very clearly? Only this H2 has taken oxygen with itself and nitrogen has gone and got combined with carbon. Correct? Now this is your intermediate. Mission, my friend, in GPAT, no one is going to ask you to write intermediate. Sir, आप क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो? Intermediate are required only for few 8 reactions. Total name reactions are 60 plus, out of which we need to do intermediates for around 8 reactions. वो भी हमको सिर्फ intermediate का नाम चाहिए, structure नहीं चाहिए. तो ठीक है, ये हमारा intermediate है. Going further, in presence of a base like sodium hydroxide और sodium ethoxide, दिख रहा है ना? C2H5OH को क्या बोलते हो आप? C2H5OH is nothing but ethanol, right? Correct? You react your C2H5OH with sodium hydroxide. What happens? C2H5OH के साथ NOH react करेगा तो यहाँ से OH यहाँ के हाइड्रोजन को लेके पानी बन के चला जाता है. And what you get in product is C2H5ONA. दिख रहा है सेकेंड स्टेप में? Can we see it? Do we have C2H5ONA over here? Again, don't waste your time over here. GPAT में कोई आपको C2H5ONA कैसे बना ये नहीं पूछने वाला. But these things would be given in the reference books from where you are going to study it. See, even you have got 24 hours. The one who is going to study for GPAT 22, 23, even those people have got 24 hours. So what is it which they are going to do different from you is only this. They know which points, which areas to focus more upon and which areas to be kept superficial. That's the thing which you need to know with each lecture as we proceed further. So in second step, in presence of a base, what happens is ये दोनों नाइट्रोजन साथ में गैस बन के उड़ जाता है. It evolves out, बाहर चला गया. And what stays back is simply your hydrogen comes and combines with carbon. ये दोनों नाइट्रोजन गैस बन के चला गया. H2 आके कार्बन के साथ स्टिक हो गया. Did I get a product which was alkane now? Is my product a alkane? Is my product a alkane? Yes. Was my reactant a aldehyde or a ketone? Was my reactant a aldehyde or a ketone? मेरा reactant aldehyde या ketone था. मेरा product एक alkane है. अब मैंने आपको मैकेनिज्म के साथ बताया. अब अगर मेरे को जीपैट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से पढ़ना है, सर नेम रिएक्शन इज रिडक्शन. रिएक्शन में रिडक्शन होगा, आप ऑक्सीजन निकालो और हाइड्रोजन ऐड करो. छोड़ दो ये बीच का सब कुछ छोड़ दो. आई डोंट नीड इट फॉर जीपैट. ऑब्जर्व, सिर्फ यहाँ से ऑक्सीजन निकाल दे. कार्बन की वैलेंसी कितनी होती है? व्हाट इज द वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन? कार्बन एटॉमिक नंबर इज 6, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इज 2,4, its valency is 4, correct? So it is going to make 4 bonds. 2 बॉन्ड ऑलरेडी बना दिया है. इट विल रिक्वायर टू मेक 2 more bonds. तो वो 2 बॉन्ड वो 2 हाइड्रोजन के साथ बनाएगा. क्या मिला प्रोडक्ट? इज द प्रोडक्ट सेम अ कार्बन विच इज विद 2 हाइड्रोजन एंड बाकी के जो सब्सटीट्यूशंस रहेंगे वो. सो वेरी क्लियरली अगर मेरे को इजी वे से एंट्रेंस के लिए पढ़ना है, आई जस्ट रिमेंबर रिमूव ऑक्सीजन एंड ऐड 2 हाइड्रोजन. इट्स डन. करेक्ट ऋषि? आर वी क्रिस्टल क्लियर नाउ? करिश्मा, नागेश, मोहित, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? याद रहेगा? Because going further I'm going to confuse you, so be ready. I'm going to confuse you. मैंने आपको पहले ही बोल के रखा है कि मैं आपको confuse करने वाला हूँ, so ready रहना. I hope you are copying down things parallelly. Going further, there are a lot of such reactions, different examples with regards to aromatic systems. We don't need to go in detail as of now. Yes, only thing is that you need to remember this reagent. एक बार पास में इस पे question आया है that Wolff-Kishner reduction had which reagent. So when it comes to all your name reactions, you need to know their reactant, you need to know their product, and you need to know their reagent. I'm not bothered about what was the intermediate. I'm not bothered about which cation attacked on which anion and how the entire reaction took place. I don't need that. Crystal clear? Other than the commonly used reagent of sodium hydroxide or sodium ethoxide, there are 2 more reagents. One of which is DMSO, dimethyl sulfoxide, and another is potassium tertiary butoxide. We just need to remember examples of this basis. Especially very bad day you might get a question asking on reagents. You should be aware that what are the usual reagents which are used in case of Wolff-Kishner reduction as a base. So Wolff-Kishner reduction as a base में कितने reagents थे? 4 थे. What were those 4 bases? What were those 4 bases? Come on, anyone quickly. Try कर, गलत गया तो भी चलेगा. कोमल, Nikita, Pallavi, just a try. Just a try. What was it? Come on. The question was, what are the different reagents which are used as an alkalizer in case of Wolff-Kishner reduction? कौन से ऐसे नेम रिएक्शंस है जो Wolff-Kishner reduction, सॉरी, कौन से ऐसे रिएजेंट्स है जो Wolff-Kishner reduction में एज अल्कलाइजर यूज होते हैं? No one, not a single person. Alkalizer, Rohit. Question is very specific. I'm asking only alkalizer. Perfect, Pooja. So you have got your DMSO, you have got your sodium methoxide, and two more reagents, which we did now: potassium tertiary butoxide and sodium hydroxide. So total four reagents hai. We have to by out this name. A very bad day. You might have a question from this. So be ready for the same. Be ready for the same. इसपे से questions आ सकते हैं. Clear है? एक बहुत easy question पूछूं? Shall I ask you one more easy question? How many of us have seen the structure of camphor? Camphor. Camphor is something like this, a system which is cyclic, which has got this double bond O, and then there is something in the ring as well. What would happen to this double bond O? What would happen to this double bond O? Rohit, I'll repeat it at the end, don't worry. What would happen to this double bond O? बोलो बोलो क्या होएगा? बोलो यार, बोलते क्यों नहीं? बोलो. Perfect. Reduction. Can I say that double bond O will get converted into CH2? Sir, oxygen निकाल दो, हाइड्रोजन ऐड कर दो. This was your camphor. This is campaign. यहाँ पे उन्होंने दो हाइड्रोजन लिखा नहीं है, but it is understood, right? Whenever you write cyclohexane in your different methodology, do you write hydrogen at each of them? क्या आप हर एक पे ऐसे हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन लिखते हो? नहीं लिखते हो. That will mean that वहाँ का कार्बोनिल बॉन्ड reduce हो गया है. For your information, GPAT 21. There was a question on predict the product for Wolff-Kishner reduction. The reactant was this. Unfortunately, you could not identify the product. Reactant was this. क्या रहेगा product? कोई मुझे help कर सकता है? Product क्या रहेगा? This was the reactant. Arrow पे hydrogen लिखा था NH2 NH2. What would be the product? Come on, fast. Come on. Perfect, Pooja. अरे कुछ नहीं करना है, ये डबल बॉन्ड O के बदले हाइड्रोजन आएगा. ओके सर, डबल बॉन्ड O के बदले हाइड्रोजन आएगा. Rest entire structure will stay as it is, right? यहाँ पे भी पूरा स्ट्रक्चर as it is था ना, और कुछ चेंज हुआ? सब कुछ बाकी का as it is था. करेक्ट? Am I correct? ऋषि, निकिता, प्रणीता, निहाल, am I correct? Nothing changed. The only change was your double bond O getting converted into CH2. बाकी आपको कुछ भी अलग नहीं करना है. So if your reactant was cyclopentanone, correct? Can I call this as cyclo? क्या मैं इसको cyclopentanone बुला सकता हूँ? Yes sir, this is cyclopentanone. Since it was a ketone, you had the word none, pentanone. अब ये pentanone से cyclopentane हो गया है. That's the only difference. It has got converted into cyclopentane, alkane, alkane. एक बात पूछूं? Can I say Wolff-Kishner reduction will always give me alkane as a product? True or false? Wolff-Kishner reduction will always give me alkane as a product. True or false? आराम से. True. चलो, this time you are right. 1:1. Scoreboard कौन मेंटेन कर रहा है? अनिल. Scoreboard 1:1. एक पॉइंट तुम्हारा है, एक पॉइंट मेरा है. अभी वापस कुछ थोड़े टाइम बाद पूछूंगा. Don't go wrong, because that time it will be a chance for me to score a point. Prajakta, be ready. Let's go to next reduction. This reduction is known as Clemmensen reduction. Again, this is a reduction. Can I say ये भी reduction है, तो यहाँ पे भी ऑक्सीजन निकलेगा और यहाँ पे भी हाइड्रोजन ऐड होगा. Do you agree? Do you agree with this? How many of us say yes? Bindya, Pooja, Sakshi, Rishi, Kanika. Do we agree? Very obviously. यहाँ पे भी वही होगा. यहाँ पे भी reactant से ऑक्सीजन निकलेगा और हाइड्रोजन ऐड होगा. That's what we are basically discussing. We are basically discussing the reduction as a reaction. So oxygen would come out and very obviously hydrogen would go in. Before I proceed further, ये भी reduction ही है. इसके केस में भी कीटोन ही है. Just help me to understand what it is. Take your time, but please don't go wrong. Because if you go wrong, I get one more point. At present, we are 1-1. What is the name of this? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? 12th standard we have seen this. This is acetyl group and this is phenyl ring. Can I say this is aceto? क्या बोलेंगे? क्या बोलेंगे? Come on, give it a try. Even if we go wrong, it's okay. Perfect Rohit. Good one Uday, Pooja, good one Priyanka. Sakshi, can I call it acetophenone? Yes sir, this is acetophenone. अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ पे भी रिडक्शन ही होने वाला है. यहाँ पे भी अगर रिडक्शन ही होगा, just help me to understand one thing. If over here also there is going to be reduction, तो प्रोडक्ट में क्या होगा? ऑक्सीजन निकल जाएगा, राइट? पहले तो जहाँ पे चेंज होने वाला है उसको छोड़ के पूरा बना लो. तो जहाँ पे चेंज होने वाला है उसको छोड़ के मैंने पूरा स्ट्रक्चर बना लिया. अब मेरे को ऑक्सीजन निकाल देने का है एंड आई एम सपोज टू ऐड हाइड्रोजन, राइट साक्षी? शालिनी, एम आई करेक्ट? आई विल रिमूव ऑक्सीजन एंड आई विल ऐड हाइड्रोजन. एक ऑक्सीजन निकालने के बदले 2 हाइड्रोजन ऐड करना पड़ता है. कैन आई से दिस इज नथिंग बट फिनाइल ईथेन? कैन आई से दैट? कैन आई से दैट? या तो इथाइल बेंजीन, समथिंग लाइक दैट, करेक्ट? फिनाइल ईथेन रख लेते, चलो अच्छा साउंड कर रहा है. कैन आई से यहाँ पे भी ऑक्सीजन निकला, यहाँ पे भी हाइड्रोजन ऐड हुआ, यहाँ पे भी रिडक्शन हुआ. माई क्वेश्चन टू यू, हाउ विल यू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन एंड वॉल्फ-किश्नर? अगर दोनों में सब कुछ सेम हो रहा है तो दोनों में डिफरेंशिएट कैसे करोगे? दोनों में डिफरेंशिएट कैसे करोगे? हाँ, एल्डिहाइड में CHO होता है शिवराज, यहाँ पे CHO नहीं है. Perfect. The reagents for both of them are different. They don't have the same reagents. Let's look after Clemenson. In case of Clemenson reduction, you have got your acetophenone as a reactant, जो मैंने यहाँ पे बनाया. The reaction happens in presence of zinc amalgam and HCl. Zinc amalgam, amalgated zinc means mercury, Hg. Remember your 12th standard? You had your mercury calomel electrode. वहाँ पे भी जिंक अमलगम था. दिस इज दैट सेम जिंक अमलगम. अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ आवर थिंग्स आर राइट इन आवर बेस. तो थोड़ा भी अगर बैकग्राउंड याद रहेगा, थिंग्स वुड बिकम मोर इजी. नहीं रहेगा तो भी डोंट वरी, वी आर गोइंग टू स्क्रैच इट राइट फ्रॉम द बेस. तो अपने zinc amalgam in presence of HCl, my oxygen has got converted into CH2. It is the same thing what we have written at below. My question to you, आराम से, what is the score? Ani 1:1 है, दोनों के एक एक पॉइंट हुए. Now the question to you is, if my drug is getting degraded in acidic pH, I repeat my words, if my drug is getting degraded in acidic pH, but it is stable in basic pH, then you will carry out reduction via which name reaction? सुना question क्या बोला? I said my drug is getting degraded in acidic pH, but it is stable in basic pH, so you will carry out reduction via which name reaction? Reduction कौन से name reaction से करोगे? आपके पास दो नेम रिएक्शन है रिडक्शन के, एक वॉल्फ-किश्नर रिडक्शन है, एक क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन है. क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन आपका एसिडिक पीएच में हो रहा है. HCl is there, right? Moment there is presence of HCl, acidic pH, and my acidic pH is degrading the drug. In my acidic pH, my drug is not stable, but my drug is stable in basic pH. कौन से रिडक्शन में बेसिक pH था? NaOH was a reagent where? NaOH was a reagent where? कहाँ पे NaOH reagent था कृतिका? Was it in वॉल्फ-किश्नर? श्वेता, सूचे? वॉल्फ-किश्नर रिडक्शन के अंदर check NaOH was the reagent. So you had basic pH over there. So since I've got basic pH over there, my drug is stable in basic pH. So for a drug, ध्यान से सुन what I'm saying. For a drug which is acid sensitive, which is getting degraded in acidic pH, you will carry out reduction using Wolff-Kishner reduction. Now this is something which was application. मैंने तेरे को पढ़ाया नहीं था, but you knew that Wolff-Kishner reduction में basic pH है, Clemenson reduction में acidic pH है, and ऐसे application based questions आते हैं. For your information, just go on to YouTube, type Dharmesh Mehta GPAT. There are 2 interviews, in fact 3 interviews in conversation with future NIPERians. So in conversation with future NIPERians में 3 लोगों का इंटरव्यू है, ऑल इंडिया रैंक 12, 22 and 41 of NIPER 21. They clearly stated in their interviews that out of 200 questions of NIPER, 130 to 140 questions were either from our test series, live lectures or notes. अगर आपको नाइपर ऑल इंडिया रैंक 01 आना है तो आपको 180 185 करेक्ट चाहिए. 130 145 स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आते हैं. ऊपर के जो 45 क्वेश्चंस है ना, वो ऐसे एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आते हैं, वो डायरेक्ट नहीं आएंगे. and this 45 questions would only come with practicing and a different thought process. समझ में आ रहा है what I'm trying to convey? प्रेरणा, प्रांजल, संकेत, योगिंदर. Now another doubt for you. Don't be in a hurry. मेरा 2 पॉइंट हो गया, तुम्हारा 1 पॉइंट है. मैंने तुम्हारे लिए क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया था, तुमने सॉल्व नहीं किया. करेक्ट सुचेता? I had solved it. Vaishnavi. Now next question to you all is, suppose I've got another reactant. आराम से, हाँ, don't be in a hurry. आपको इसके शायद 2 प्रोडक्ट मिलेंगे. So let me know which product you feel is the right product. C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OH. इसका प्रोडक्ट बताओ, इसका प्रोडक्ट बताओ. There are going to be 2 products for this, right? How many of you say this will have 2 products, and how many of you say this will have only 1 product? I've repinned the feedback form in the chat box. If you didn't feel last time, then you can do it now. How many of you say that this will have 2 products, and how many of you say that it will have 1 product? 2 बोलने वाले बहुत कम लोग हैं. ऐश्वर्या, अक्षय, दिनेश, गणेश, गौरी. चलो. Yes, there will be 2 products for it. क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन के 2 प्रोडक्ट नहीं आएंगे. क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन का तो एक ही प्रोडक्ट आएगा. बट जब एज अ स्टूडेंट मैं सोचता हूँ, एज अ स्टूडेंट मैंने क्या देखा था, जहाँ जहाँ पे सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ है उनको CH2 कर देने का, राइट? करेक्ट. क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन में हम लोग ने वही किया. सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ को CH2 में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. यहाँ पे भी सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ को CH2 में कन्वर्ट कर देने का है. यहाँ पे भी सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ को CH2 में कन्वर्ट कर देने का है. मैंने सब सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ को CH2OH में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. सॉरी, सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ को CH2 में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. एक ये बनेगा. दूसरा प्रोडक्ट बनेगा जहाँ पे मैं मेरे सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ को रेड्यूस तो कर रहा हूँ, बट आई एम रेड्यूसिंग ओनली द सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ which is belonging to my aldehyde or ketone. I'm not reducing my C double bond O of carboxylic acid. Observe the reactant over here. यहाँ पे आपके पास रिएक्टेंट में जो 2 कार्बोनिल ग्रुप्स है, उसमें से एक कार्बोनिल ग्रुप कीटोन का है और दूसरा कार्बोनिल ग्रुप कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस, राइट? कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड इज RCOOH, कनिका, and carbonyl group is RC double bond OR और RC double bond OH. मतलब आप उसको aldehyde हो या आप उसको कीटोन बोल सकते हो. When it comes to your Wolff-Fishner reduction or when it comes to your Clemmensen reduction, this applies to both the reductions. It's not specific to only one. I repeat my words. This applies to both the reactions. It's not specific only to one. In both these reductions, only and only your carbonyl group of aldehyde and ketone gets reduced. कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड के कार्बोनिल ग्रुप को कुछ भी नहीं करने का. द करेक्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस इज द रॉन्ग प्रोडक्ट. कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड के सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ को रेड्यूस नहीं कर सकते हो. व्हाई? बिकॉज योर क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन, योर वोल्फ-फिश्नर रिडक्शन does the reduction of carbonyl group only of aldehydes and ketones. aldehydes और ketones के कार्बोनिल ग्रुप के सिवाय वो और किसी के कार्बोनिल ग्रुप को रेड्यूस नहीं करता है. क्लियर? Are we crystal clear now? Are we crystal clear now? याद रहेगा. तो अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है, will we be able to answer? बस ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. Be ready for such type of questions. Such type of questions will actually be there. All right. So scoreboard मेरे 3 पॉइंट, आपका एक ही पॉइंट है. Is the given product correct over here? Is the given product correct over here? आराम से ऑब्जर्व करना. प्रोपियोनिक एसिड मतलब इसमें कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है. बेंजोइल मतलब इसमें कार्बोनिल ग्रुप है. ये देख, ये है सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ, ये है सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ एच कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. प्रोडक्ट देख, प्रोडक्ट में ओनली कार्बोनिल ग्रुप इज गॉट कन्वर्टेड इनटू CH2. करेक्ट. प्रोडक्ट में सिर्फ कार्बोनिल ग्रुप ही CH2 में कन्वर्ट हुआ है. बाकी कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड तो एज इट इज ही है. दिख रहा है दादा? कैन वी सी इट? आई होप विल बी एबल टू रिमेम्बर दिस. प्लीज मार्क माई वर्ड्स, इट्स नॉट द केस दैट इट इज ओनली विथ क्लेमेंसन. नहीं, वॉल्फ-फिश्नर रिडक्शन के साथ भी ये अप्लाई होता है. याद रहेगा, कभी भूलेगा नहीं ना दादा? गुड टू गो. Good to go. Copy paste done. How many name reactions did we did till now? We finished 5 name reactions, right? Aishwarya? कौन से 5 नेम रिएक्शंस थे अरुण वो? इरम, विच 5 नेम रिएक्शंस वर देयर? कोमल, एक था वर्ड्स, दूसरा था फिटिग, थर्ड वन वाज वर्ड्स फिटिग, then we did Wolf Kishner, and now we did Clemenson. How many of you have heard about this? Now this is the most important part. ऐसे क्वेश्चन ज्यादा नाइपर में आते हैं. You remember your 12th standard? In 12th standard NEET, JEE, you had this chain reactions A, B, C, D. They'll give you A and then they'll ask you to predict B, C, and D on the basis of reagents. याद है? Hello, hello. सो गए? सो गए? अकेले अकेले नाश्ता कर रहा है. वड़ा पाव, समोसा पाव, पानी पूरी, गोलगप्पा. अभी देर. आई वांट अ क्विक यस. सिर्फ 4 यस से काम नहीं चलेगा. आई वांट अ क्विक यस. चल, थैंक यू. कमिंग बैक ओवर हियर. If you remember, salicylaldehyde is basically a hydroxyl group on ortho position to CHO. कौन सा नेम रिएक्शन है जिसका प्रोडक्ट सैलिसिलएल्डिहाइड है? एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ यू कैन आंसर दिस. बहुत खुशी मिलेगी अगर कोई एक भी ट्राई कर सके. इवन इफ यू गो रॉन्ग इट्स ओके. नहीं पूजा, गुड ट्राइंग. तुम लोग लग रहा है काफी कंफ्यूज्ड हो. तुम लोग थोड़ा पढ़ के आए हो बट काफी कंफ्यूज्ड हो. परफेक्ट देवी. रिमर टिमर रिएक्शन. रिमर टिमर रिएक्शन का प्रोडक्ट सैलिसिलएल्डिहाइड है. Salicylaldehyde is a product for Rimer-Timmer reaction, and salicylaldehyde is a reactant for Kolbe's reaction. जो किसी ने अभी Kolbe's reaction बोला था, Kolbe's reaction के लिए reactant है और Rimer-Timmer reaction के लिए product है. जब हम आगे डिटेल में जाएंगे, since we have a lack of time today, I'm not going much in detail, but while doing this name reaction should be taken together. सर आप क्या बोल रहे हो समझ में नहीं आ रहा. I'll explain you briefly. Rimer-Timmer reaction का starting material is a phenol. What do you mean by phenol? Phenol मतलब benzene के ऊपर OH. This phenol reacts with chloroform. Chloroform is CHCl3 in presence of a base. So phenol plus chloroform plus base. Phenol plus CHCl3 plus NaOH. दिख रहा है? This is actually the material, the reactants, the reagents for Rimer-Timmer reaction. What happens, how it works, why it sits only on ortho position. Hydroxyl group is ortho para directing group. Ortho meta para क्या होता है बात करेंगे, सबके बारे में डिटेल में बात करेंगे. टेंशन मत ले. एज ऑफ नाउ सिर्फ इतना याद रख, रिमर टिमर रिएक्शन का जो प्रोडक्ट है that can be a reactant for Clemenson reduction. It can also be a reactant for Kolbe-Smith reaction. सर सैलिसिलएल्डिहाइड रिमर टिमर का प्रोडक्ट ठीक है, सैलिसिलएल्डिहाइड कोलबेस का रिएक्टेंट ठीक है, but why is it reactant of Clemenson? Sir, you said na Clemenson reduction has aldehyde and ketones as a reactant. Salicylaldehyde में भी तो aldehyde है, CHO group. CHO is nothing but carbon with double bond O and hydrogen to it. दिख रहा है? ये देख CHO. ये CHO का ऑक्सीजन निकाल. ओके निकाल दिया. हमको आदत है एक ऑक्सीजन के लिए हम लोग कितने हाइड्रोजन ऐड करते हैं. एक ऑक्सीजन के लिए हम लोग कितने हाइड्रोजन ऐड करते हैं शुभम, अमित? Perfect. I'll add 2 hydrogens. So I remove 1 oxygen. I had 2 hydrogens. एक हाइड्रोजन पहले से था, 2 हाइड्रोजन और ऐड किए, टोटल हो गए 3 हाइड्रोजन. Do I have CH3 now? This is nothing but cresol. You have a very bad luck. शायद कॉलेजेस अभी ओपन हो गए, तो you will be making cresol soap solution in your pharmaceutics practical. Yes, cresol का soap solution हम लोग pharmaceutics के practicals में बनाते. So maybe if your practicals open up, you will get a chance for the same. Crystal clear till here. Just to show you Rimer Timmer once. देख लो, दिख रहा? Is it the same thing what we just discussed? Is it phenol with chloroform and a base? This is ortho, this is meta, this is para. I hope you are aware about this nomenclatures, right? Ortho, meta, para. ये तीनों nomenclature पता है? इसमें ortho product major होता है, para product minor होता है. क्यों? Why? Any idea why? अभी तक तो हम लोग ने ऐसे ही पढ़ा है that para product is always the major product. Correct? Correct, friends? जितना भी आपको थोड़ा सा भी केमिस्ट्री जो कॉलेज में हुआ रहेगा सेमेस्टर 3 सेमेस्टर 4 में, यू माइट हैव रेड दैट पैरा प्रोडक्ट्स आर ऑलवेज द मेजर प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज दे बोथ आर फार फ्रॉम ईच अदर. जितना ज्यादा दूर रहेंगे उतना स्टीयरिक हिंड्रेंस कम होगा, उतना ज्यादा स्टेबिलिटी होगा. करेक्ट? यू माइट हैव रेड अबाउट दिस सेम थिंग इन योर 12th स्टैंडर्ड एज वेल. आई होप यू ऑल आर अवेयर अबाउट दिस बेसिक्स. जितना ज्यादा दूर है उतना ज्यादा स्टेबल है, उतना ज्यादा स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस कम होगा, जितना स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस कम होगा उतना स्टेबिलिटी ज्यादा रहेगी. करेक्ट. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव रेड. एम आई करेक्ट? एम आई करेक्ट? एवरीवन रिमेंबर्स? चल हेल्प मी टू अंडरस्टैंड द रिलेशन बिटवीन स्टेबिलिटी एंड एनर्जी. जो ज्यादा स्टेबल है उसके पास एनर्जी कम रहती है कि ज्यादा रहती है? जो ज्यादा स्टेबल रहता है उसके पास एनर्जी कम रहती है कि ज्यादा रहती है? स्टेबिलिटी एंड एनर्जी का रिलेशन क्या है? परफेक्ट, इट इज इनवर्सली रिलेटेड. वेरी ऑब्वियस. अगर मेरे पास ज्यादा एनर्जी है तो ऑलवेज बी इन मोशन ना. मैं भागता रहूंगा, क्रिकेट खेलूंगा, उसके बाद फुटबॉल खेलूंगा, कबड्डी खेलूंगा, उसके बाद बेसबॉल, फिर बास्केटबॉल. बट इफ आई डोंट हैव एनर्जी, आई विल सिट एट वन प्लेस. एंड द वंस विच सिट एट वन प्लेस, कैन आई कॉल देम स्टेबल? मैं हिलूंगा नहीं, मैं यहाँ से वहां जाऊंगा नहीं. आई विल स्टे स्टेबल. आई विल वेट एट वन पोजिशन. आई होप यू आई एम ट्राइंग टू कोरिलेटेड. ऑन सेम ग्राउंड्स, जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ऑर्थो प्रोडक्ट मेजर प्रोडक्ट है, हमेशा वही प्रोडक्ट मेजर होता है जिसका स्टेबिलिटी ज्यादा होता है. करेक्ट. In life, only those things exist which are more stable. If we are existing, the reason is we are stable, correct? Right from your atoms, molecules, and everything. Are you on one grounds? Are we on one grounds? समझ में आ रहा है what I am trying to convey? Hello? As you can just see 2 or 3 yes. Chal, thank you. So, what is the reason? Why is the ortho product major product in case of remer reaction? Ideally, para product major होना चाहिए था, but ऐसा नहीं हुआ. क्यों? Anyone? नॉट अ सिंगल पर्सन. ट्राई करना, गलत जाएगा तो भी चलेगा. परफेक्ट. ऑर्थो प्रोडक्ट की स्टेबिलिटी ज्यादा है, दैट्स द रीजन इट इज बीइंग प्रेफर्ड. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, व्हाई इज ऑर्थो प्रोडक्ट मोर स्टेबल? ऑर्थो प्रोडक्ट ज्यादा स्टेबल क्यों है? हैव यू रेड अबाउट इंट्रामोलिकुलर एंड इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग? पढ़ा है कुछ इंट्रामोलिकुलर इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग? इट इज ड्यू टू दैट हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग दैट योर ortho product is a major product. And remember this thing, ortho product as a major product is only and only the case with रिमर टीमर. बाकी कोई भी नेम रिएक्शन ऐसा नहीं है. और एक है, वो दो के सिवा और कोई नहीं है. वो दो दूसरा वाला आएगा आगे, टोटली डिफरेंट, नो कोरिलेशन. सिर्फ वो दो ही ऐसे नेम रिएक्शन है जिसमें ऑर्थो प्रोडक्ट मेजर प्रोडक्ट है, बाकी सब में पैरा प्रोडक्ट मेजर प्रोडक्ट है. रिमेंबर, क्वेश्चंस इन एंट्रेंस विल ऑलवेज बी अराउंड एक्सेप्शंस. Did you understand what I just said? I repeat my words. Questions in entrance would always be around exceptions. So if this is an exception, this should feed in your mind. दिमाग से ये बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Are we crystal clear? Are we crystal clear? Are we good to go ahead? Akshay, Hiram, let's proceed. Sanket, चल, thanks. Thanks for confirmation. तो ये रिमर टीमर था, और दो रिएक्शन कर लेते. Then we'll go to Q&A and then I'll just show you how we take up different reactions at PHARMAELITE. Just for your information, I am again resharing the feedback form in chat box. कोई रह गया है तो register कर दो. Only then you will get the joining link of the next session. Otherwise, you won't get the joining link of next Sunday's session of the demo lecture. Coming back over here, when I talk about Baeyer-Villiger reaction, before talking about Baeyer-Villiger reaction in detail, what is this? Sir, this is HOH. Sir, HOH is nothing but H2O. H2O is nothing but water. Water, can I call water as hydrogen oxide? उसमें हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन ही है ना. कैन आई कॉल इट डाई हाइड्रोजन ऑक्साइड और हाइड्रोजन ऑक्साइड? कैन आई से दैट? कैन आई से दैट? यस और नो? मैं इसको हाइड्रोजन ऑक्साइड बोल सकता हूँ ना. मैं इसको हाइड्रोजन ऑक्साइड बुला सकता हूँ. ठीक है सर, बुला सकते हो. बुला सकता हूँ कि नहीं बुला सकता हूँ? हेलो, कैन आई कॉल इट डाई हाइड्रोजन ऑक्साइड? दो हाइड्रोजन है, डाई हाइड्रोजन, आगे ऑक्सीजन है, so I call it dihydrogen oxide. With everyone, Rishi, Rishi, is this dihydrogen oxygen? H2O ना, I can call it dihydrogen oxide. क्यों मना कर रहे हो तुम लोग? Why are you saying no? Why are you saying no? Then what should I call it? What should I call it? Adi, Chaitanya, मोहित क्या बुलाओ इसको? राहुल, what should I call it? Rishi, ये correct है. Boss, this is correct. You can call it dihydrogen oxide. Now my question to you. Moment I make this H2O into H2O2, मैंने सिर्फ एक ऑक्सीजन ऐड किया, तो आप इसका नाम कैसे चेंज कर देते हो? यू कॉल इट हाइड्रोजन पर ऑक्साइड, राइट? यू डोंट कॉल इट हाइड्रोजन ऑक्साइड और you don't call it dihydrogen dioxide. You rather call it hydrogen peroxide. याद है? याद है हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड? In your entire name reaction of organic chemistry, there is only one name reaction which has got H2O2 as a reagent. Which name reaction it is? Come on, anyone? Thanks, Devi. Which name reaction? Good one, Yogender. Thank you so much. Dakin's oxidation reaction is the only reaction in your entire organic chemistry of 4 years of syllabus where you have got hydrogen peroxide as a reactant. उसमें क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, some other day we'll talk in detail. As of now, जैसे तुमको याद है कि RMGX मतलब ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएक्शन, वैसे H2O2 मतलब डेकिन्स ऑक्सीडेशन. सर आप ये नॉमेनक्लेचर क्यों समझा रहे हो? व्हाई आर यू सेइंग ऑक्साइड एंड पेरोक्साइड? आई विल कम टू दैट. व्हाट डू यू कॉल दिस? इसको क्या बोलते हो आप? CH3COOH को क्या बोलते हो? 3COOH को आप क्या बोलते हो? व्हाट डू यू कॉल दिस? व्हाट डू यू कॉल दिस? CH3COOH. Which carboxylic acid it is? Do you call it acetic acid? चलो, thanks तेजस उदय, thanks for confirming. But अगर मैं इसी दो ऑक्सीजन में और एक ऑक्सीजन ऐड कर दूं, ना आई एम पर्पसली राइटिंग 3 ऑक्सीजन. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं गलती से ऑक्सीजन ऐड कर रहा हूँ, मैं पर्पसली 3 ऑक्सीजन लिख रहा हूँ. इसको मैंने एसिटिक एसिड बोला था, बट नीचे वाला जिसमें एक्स्ट्रा ऑक्सीजन है, इसको मैं पर एसिटिक एसिड बोलता हूँ. व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय द वर्ड पर एसिटिक एसिड? व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय द वर्ड पर एसिटिक एसिड? That word per acetic acid, that word per is only trying to indicate that there is oxygen which is additionally being added. याद रहेगा? याद रहेगा? I've just conveyed a hint to you that oxygen is just conveying that per word is just conveying that there is oxygen being added. Just for information, we are running a crash course for GPAT 22 as well. New batch for GPAT 23, 24 are also on the way. So if you have any doubts, any queries, or if you wish to join, you can reach out onto the numbers from where you got the joining link. Coming back over here, in your entire organic chemistry, Bayer vinegar rearrangement is the only name reaction in which there is a per acid. बाकी कोई भी ऐसा नेम रिएक्शन नहीं है जहां पे पर एसिड हो. दिख रहा है 3 ऑक्सीजन? कैन यू व्यू इट? इट्स द ओनली नेम रिएक्शन जहां पे 3 ऑक्सीजन है. इसके सिवा ऐसा कोई भी नेम रिएक्शन नहीं है जहां पे 3 ऑक्सीजन होंगे. तो henceforth अनिमेश, अगर मेरे को पर एसिड दिखता है, कैन आई स्ट्रेट अवे से दैट इट इज हाइड्रोजन? सॉरी, कैन आई स्ट्रेट अवे से दैट इट्स बेयर विनेगर रिएक्शन? से दैट प्रांजल, निकिता, रिताली, कैन आई से दैट? साक्षी, आज के बाद अगर मेरे को CF3C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड ओ, मोमेंट आई विल सी C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड O, 3 ऑक्सीजन दिखे, मतलब वो बेयर विनेगर रीअरेंजमेंट ही है. Now observe the beauty of Bayer vinegar. What is the reactant? Can I say this is a ketone? Can I say my reactant is a ketone over here? Can I say that? दिख रहा है कीटोन है? हाँ सर कीटोन है. What about my product? Is my product a ester? Well standard. अलग अलग फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स किए थे हम लोग ने. Just help me out with this. Which functional group is this? RCHO. ये कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है? ये कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है? Then which functional group is this? I know थोड़ा बेसिक्स ब्रश अप हो रहा है, but somewhere it's required. 4 फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स बनाए मैंने आपके सामने. I'm just asking you which one is which. What is the first one? RCHO is what? यार तुम लोग पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करते यार. तेनू कुछ बोलता नहीं, मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा यार. फर्स्ट वन इज एल्डिहाइड, करेक्ट? फर्स्ट वन इज एल्डिहाइड. RCHO जो है, दिस इज एल्डिहाइड. सेकंड इज कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, करेक्ट? RCOOH. सेकंड इज कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. थर्ड वन इज अ कीटोन, करेक्ट? RC डबल बॉन्ड O R डैश, जो मेरा यहाँ पे रिएक्टेंट है. फोर्थ वन इज स्टर, करेक्ट? जो यहाँ पे मेरा प्रोडक्ट है, करेक्ट? एंड किसी ने तो ईथर लिखा था गलती से पहले, इसलिए मैंने ईथर का स्ट्रक्चर बना दिया. दिस इज ईथर. क्रिस्टल क्लियर? क्रिस्टल क्लियर? कितना इजी है इफ आई वांट टू गेट एन आइडिया विथ रिगार्ड्स टू इट्स रिएक्टेंट टू प्रोडक्ट. ऑब्जर्व, रिएक्टेंट टू प्रोडक्ट व्हेन कन्वर्जन इज हैपनिंग, RC डबल बॉन्ड R डैश के अंदर यहाँ से एक ऑक्सीजन घुस जाता है, घुस गया ऑक्सीजन, और बाकी का जो CF3COOH था वो एज इट इज पड़ा है. देख, उसमें से सिर्फ एक ऑक्सीजन निकल गया, सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन निकल के यहाँ पे चला गया. ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है? Has anything else changed? अनुजा, गौरी, गायत्री, कुछ और बदला है? कुछ भी नहीं बदला है। वहां से ऑक्सीजन निकल के सिर्फ बीच में घुस गया, बाकी का पूरा रीएजेंट एज इट इज, पूरा का पूरा प्रोडक्ट एज इट इज। एनी डाउट, एनी क्वेश्चन? इफ नॉट, आई हैव गॉट अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू नाउ। इसका प्रोडक्ट क्या बनेगा दोस्त? आराम से, हाँ, डोंट बी इन अ हरी। इसका प्रोडक्ट क्या बनेगा? दिस इज अ 6 member ring with a ketone group. This is a 6 member ring with a carbonyl group. What would be its product? What would be its product? What would be its product? बोलो, अरे ट्राई तो कर। चलो, गुड वन कृतिका। Kritika says that there will be a ring expansion. Sir, reactant was a ketone, product is going to be a ester. तो प्रोडक्ट में एस्टर तो बनना चाहिए। रिएक्टेंट में कितना कार्बन है? 1 2, कार्बन बोला मैंने, 1 2 3 4 5 6। So this is 6 membered, 6 carbon containing ring. Agree? Agree? Reactant is 6 membered, 6 carbon containing ring. Every one of us agree? Rishi, Adi, Aishwarya, Akshay. Now let's look after the product. Product देख, 1 2 3 4 5, this is 6। प्रोडक्ट में कितने कार्बन है? कार्बन बोला अभी पहले, 1 2 3 4 5, और ये रहा छठवा कार्बन। आईयूपीएसी के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं जा रहा हूँ, सिर्फ कार्बन काउंट कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है सर, 6 कार्बन है। बट कितना मेंबर्ड का सिस्टम है? हाउ मेनी मेंबर्ड सिस्टम इट इज? इजंट इट अ 7 membered सिस्टम नाउ? इजंट इट अ 7 membered सिस्टम नाउ? चेक करना, ऑक्सीजन विल बी द 7th member ना। 7 मेंबर है देख इसमें, 1 2 3 4 5, ये छठवा और ये सातवां। कैन आई से माई प्रोडक्ट हैज अंडरगॉन रिंग एक्सपांशन which Kritika was mentioning? Do I have a ring expansion over here? Yes. Are we crystal clear now? In your entire organic chemistry, beer vinegar rearrangement is the only name reaction where your where your ring increases from reactant to product. अगर वो 5 membered का होगा तो वो 6 member का हो जाएगा। चेक, अगर वो 5 member का होगा तो वो 6 member का हो जाएगा। अभी हम लोग ने 6 member का रिएक्टेंट में बनाया था ना, प्रोडक्ट में 7 member का था, याद है? देख यहाँ पे, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 member का रिंग था। अभी देख, 1 2 3 4 5 became 6 membered ring. Is it a 6 membered ring? Yes, it's a lactone ring. Crystal clear? Crystal clear? Arun, Ashwini? Now the problem is beer vinegar reaction एक अलग चैप्टर में, फेवरस की रीअरेंजमेंट अलग चैप्टर में। अब इसमें भी कुछ तो चीजें हैं विच वी आर नॉट डिस्कसिंग एज ऑफ नाउ। इसमें आपको कुछ डाउट आना चाहिए था जो आपको अभी आया नहीं। बात करते हैं बाद में, वी आर रनिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम। मेरे को आपको सिर्फ कंपैरिजन बताना है, दैट्स द रीजन आई एम स्ट्रेट अवे रिएक्शन। आपको कुछ डाउट आना चाहिए था जो आपको आया नहीं। एक बार फेवरस की देख लेते हैं। व्हाट हैपेंस इन फेवरस की रिएक्शन इज थिंग्स आर अ बिट डिफरेंट। ये रिंग ऑब्जर्व कर, कितना मेंबर है? 1 2 3 4 5 6। रिएक्टेंट में कितना हुआ? 6 membered। प्रोडक्ट में देखते हैं, 1 2 3 4 5। छठवा वाला कार्बन ही बाहर चला गया, अंदर कुछ कार्बन जैसा है ही नहीं। प्रोडक्ट में सिर्फ 5 member का सिस्टम है। दिख रहा है मेरे दोस्त? कैन आई सी दैट? क्या हो गया? रिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्शन, रिंग छोटी हो गई। बेयर विलेगर में क्या हुआ था? बेयर विलेगर में रिंग बड़ी हुई थी, करेक्ट? रिंग साइज ग्रीव, रिंग एक्सपांशन हुआ था। बट फेवर अस्की में रिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होता है। ये दोनों नेम रिएक्शन दो अलग चैप्टर में पढ़ने के टाइम हमको इनको साथ में पढ़ना है, याद रहेगा। इफ आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दिस नेम रिएक्शन इन डिटेल, बहुत इजी है। व्हाट इज द वर्ड सेइंग? इट इज सेइंग रीअरेंजमेंट। So something is going to rearrange, right? Correct? If they are using the word rearrangement, very obviously something is supposed to rearrange. Observe the reaction now. What it is? C6H5 CH2 C double bond O CH2 Cl. So can I say my reactant is a alpha haloketone? सर क्या बोल रहे हो? अल्फा haloketone क्या है थे? This is benzene, which is your C6H5, your phenyl, then your CH2 group, then comes your carbonyl group, then comes your CH2 group, then comes your halogen, which is chlorine. What is the functional moiety? Functional moiety is ketone. फंक्शनल ग्रुप के बाजू वाला कार्बन अल्फा कार्बन होता है. दिस इज अल्फा कार्बन, दिस इज ऑल्सो अल्फा कार्बन. क्या ये अल्फा कार्बन पे हैलोजन है? यस. यस. श्वेता, साक्षी, अल्फा कार्बन पे हैलोजन दिख रहा है? यस, इट्स अल्फा हैलोकीटोन. अल्फा कार्बन पे क्लोरीन ग्रुप है. ओके, so my reactant is a alpha haloketone. It is reacting with alkoxy. How many of us are aware about alcohol? Alcohol is ROH, correct? वो ROH का H निकाल दो, it becomes alkoxy. क्या बोला सर? ROH का R निकाल दो, it becomes alkoxy. समझा अभी तक क्या बोला? Are we on one ground? What was the product in beer vinegar? beer vinegar का product क्या था? Was it a ester? Was it a ester in case of beer vinegar? Hello? On same grounds, even in favor ski, your product is going to be a ester only. कैसे सर? Come back over here. यहाँ पे कुछ भी मत कर. जो ये कार्बोनिल ग्रुप और क्लोरीन ग्रुप के बीच का जो CH2 है ना, listen carefully to what I'm saying. The CH2 group which is between this carbonyl group and your halogen, pick up that CH2 group and place that CH2 group before the carbonyl group. क्या किया सर? अरे सर, नीम रिएक्शन बोल रहा है रीअरेंजमेंट, तो कुछ तो रीअरेंज होगा ना. तो जो CH2 ग्रुप मेरे कार्बोनिल ग्रुप और क्लोरीन ग्रुप के बीच में था, मैंने वो CH2 ग्रुप को पहले लेके आया हूँ. बाकी मेरा कार्बोनिल ग्रुप मैंने एज इट इज रखा है. क्लियर है यहाँ तक? यहाँ तक क्लियर है व्हाट आई जस्ट डिड? इज इट क्लियर टिल हियर व्हाट आई जस्ट डिड? or anyone wants me to repeat? Anyone wants me to repeat? I did nothing. जो मेरा CH2 ग्रुप यहाँ वाला था, जो मेरे हैलोजन और कीटो ग्रुप के बीच वाला CH2 ग्रुप था, वो CH2 ग्रुप उठाया और उसको ये CH2 के साथ अटैच कर दिया जो फिनाइल रिंग को अटैच था. दिख रहा है? दिख रहा है? इज इट क्लियर नाउ? इज इट क्लियर नाउ? इज इट क्लियर नाउ और इज इट स्टिल अ क्वेश्चन? इज इट क्लियर नाउ? एंड व्हाट नेक्स्ट आई एम सपोज टू डू इज हैलोजन निकाल दो, हैलोजन के बदले OR लगा दो. हो गया प्रोडक्ट. रीअरेंजमेंट किया, हैलोजन निकाला और उसके बदले OR लगा दिया. चेक. सब कुछ सेम है, सिर्फ इन्होंने मिरर इमेज लिखा है. ये देख. फिर दो CH2. ओके, ये रहा दो CH2. उसके बाद C6H5. ओके, उसके बाद C6H5. दिख रहा है बॉस? आर वी क्लियर नाउ? आर वी क्लियर नाउ और डू यू वांट मी टू रिपीट अगेन? डू यू वांट मी टू रिपीट अगेन और आर वी क्लियर? आई एम सॉरी. दोनों के दोनों नेम रिएक्शंस, फेवरस की भी बेयर विलेकर भी, दोनों के अंदर एंड में प्रोडक्ट एस्टर ही था. बेयर विनेगर में इट वाज स्पेसिफिकली कीटोन, बट यहाँ पे इन केस ऑफ फेवरस की इट इज अल्फा हैलोकीटोन. फेवरस की के नेम रिएक्शन में इट इज अल्फा हैलोकीटोन. दैट्स द मेजर डिफरेंस ओवर हियर. याद रहेगा दोस्त? याद रहेगा? सिंस few of you have said repeat, I am repeating it. Just observe. कुछ भी मत देखो. हाँ, ऊपर कुछ भी मत देखो. अब सिर्फ जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ वही देखो. ऋषि, आर वी देयर? कनिका, ये रिएक्टेंट है मेरा. पल्लवी, correct? This is my reactant CH2 C double bond to CH2 Cl. I am reacting with OR minus. What did I say? I said that the CH2 group, which is I'm so sorry. The CH2 group which is between carbonyl and chloro group, उसको पहले शिफ्ट कर दो. पहले बाकी की चीजें एज इट इज लिख लो. बेंजीन रिंग एज इट इज लिख लिया, CH2 एज इट इज लिख लिया. अभी जो CH2 पहले दूर था, अब वो CH2 को पहले वाले CH2 के बाजू में ला दो. तो जो CH2 पहले बाद में था, उस CH2 को वापस आगे लेके आओ. लेके आया. बाकी सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ जो था उसको एज इट इज लिख दिया. एंड व्हाट स्टेज बैक, व्हाट रिमेन्स बैक इज ओनली योर ओ आर माइनस. तो वो ओ आर माइनस को यहाँ पे अटैच कर दो. क्रिस्टल क्लियर? क्रिस्टल क्लियर नाउ? इज इट क्रिस्टल क्लियर नाउ? क्लियर विथ एवरीवन? दो क्वेश्चन पूछू. दो क्वेश्चन पूछू. A name reaction in which there is ring expansion. A name reaction in which there is ring expansion from reactant to product. A name reaction in which there is ring expansion from reactant to product. Perfect. Where will I go? A name reaction in which there is ring contraction from reactant to product. In which there is ring contraction from reactant to product. Perfect. Favor risky. A name reaction in which number of carbon doubles from reactant to product. There are two such name reactions in which number of carbon doubles from reactant to product. दो थे, एक वर्ड्स था और दूसरा कौन सा था? वर्ड्स के साथ और एक था. और एक था. व्हाट वाज दैट अनदर वन? परफेक्ट. फिटिंग. वर्ड्स एंड फिटिंग दो सेपरेट. A name reaction in which reduction occurs with the help of zinc amalgam HCl. Zinc amalgam HCl. Zinc amalgam HCl, Rohit, was Clemenson. Wolfishner was hydrazine. Dada. I hope you are writing down things whatever we have just discussed. Just for information, आगे जाके you are falling short of time, otherwise we might have tapped upon this. Hoffman bromide degradation, then your Curtius, your Lawson, your Smith, इन सब में भी common principle है. इन सब में reactant to product number of carbon decreases by 1. इन सब नेम रिएक्शन में इंटरमीडिएट आइसोसाइनाइट है. जब मैं ये नेम रिएक्शन जीपैट के लिए पढ़ूंगा, मैं ये मैकेनिज्म नहीं पढ़ते बैठूंगा. मेरे को कोई जीपैट में मैकेनिज्म ड्रॉ करने नहीं बोलने वाला. बट मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि उसका इंटरमीडिएट आइसोसाइनाइट है. मुझे पता होने चाहिए कि ऐसे कितने नेम रिएक्शंस है जिसका इंटरमीडिएट आइसोसाइनाइट है. आई शुड नो दैट. क्रिस्टल क्लियर? हाँ भी क्रिस्टल क्लियर माय फ्रेंड. Stevenson is not confusing. You see cricket? Do you see cricket, Rohit? You know Zair Khan, one of the India's greatest bowlers. C for Clemenson, Z for zinc amalgam. Clemenson reduction में zinc amalgam. Cricket में Zair Khan, one of the leading Indian cricket bowlers. Just a mnemonic. If you find anything confusing, you can have such mnemonics in place. And ऐसे कुछ selected name reactions नहीं है, ऐसे बहुत सारे name reactions है which can be grouped together, which are linked to each other, which you can take up together. Maybe during lectures we can have such mnemonics in place as well. So this is just a brief in एक एक करके सारे name reactions we have to tap upon so that we cover all of them with their examples, some directly linked upon, some with shortcuts, some with mnemonics, some as a part of your detection test. Don't worry, step by step we would cover across everything. With regards to PHARMAELITE, all our faculties are NIPER qualified, NIPER pass outs, NIPER alumnus. They are already into industry, so they know what industry talks about. Industry insights, live lectures, 6 hours to 7.5 hours of live lectures each week. Test series online, 17 plus questions. You can attempt test series anytime. Moment you click on submit, you immediately get your results. You can go through the recordings of the lectures which you missed. If you want recording of a lecture for revision purpose you have read earlier, you can again go through the recording. It's not that only if you have missed, only then you get it. No, you'll get it under either of the situations for revision purpose. Hard copy notes, everything is there, and this is the result of our batch 21, 12, 22, 41, 50. Not only NIPER, even Manipal entrance test 7, 20, 31, 35. A lot in. You can go to our YouTube channel, check their interviews. This would help you to get an idea. If you wish to plan PharmaElite if you wish to join PharmaElite for live lectures, test series, anything, you can reach out to these two numbers. One important message before I end upon, and one of the important things, yes, you can just reach out to this number. They will tell you about everything. They'll help you out with fee structures and everything. Wherever you go, whatever you do, ensure that you are the best in that. Don't do it specifically only for the sake of do it. Do it with your 100%. Enjoy it with whatever you do. Just for information, there were few students who were not there with us for GPAT 2020. They joined us for NIPER 2020. Two of such students who were not with us for GPAT but joined us for NIPER, they both reached NIPER Mohali. They both are into NIPER Mohali in the batch of 2020-2022. They are pursuing their Pharma MBA there. And to my surprise, to our surprise, they are being placed, and their starting packages from Niper Mohali is 12 lakhs per annum. Yes, starting packages 12 lakhs per annum to start with. That's the kind of advantage you get when it comes to Niper. So across India, there are Niper Mohali, Niper Hyderabad, Niper Ahmedabad, Niper Raebareli, Guwahati, Hajipur, Kolkata. But the best snipers are the top three: Mohali, Hyderabad and Ahmedabad. आपके नाइपर की 2 साल की फीस होती है 1.5 to 2 lakhs रुपीज पर एंटायर 2 years फीस आई एम सेइंग दोनों साल का फी 1.5 से 2 लाख होता है एमएस का आई एम सेइंग आई होप यू आर अवेयर नाइपर इज द ओनली इंस्टीट्यूट इन इंडिया विच कैन ऑफर यू एमएस डिग्री बाकी सब आपको एम फार्म देंगे एम टेक देंगे बट नाइपर कैन गिव यू एमएस डिग्री एज वेल इफ यू आर नॉट अवेयर देन दिस इज फॉर इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स हु आर परस्यूइंग जीआरई टॉफल आईआईटीएस अब्रॉड उनको भी एमएस मिलता है हमको भी एमएस ही मिलता है इफ यू डू इट फ्रॉम नाइपर 2 साल का फीस एमएस का नाइपर में 1.5 से 2 लाख है स्टार्टिंग पैकेजेस फ्रॉम नाइपर मोहाली इनफैक्ट नाइपर मोहाली का पैकेज रेंज है 4.5 to 12 लाख रुपीज पर एनम 4.5 से 12 लाख एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि 12 लाख देने वाली एक ही कंपनी है ZS Associates took 15 candidates, offered 12 annum to each of that candidate. Then there is a aspect ratio offering 12 lakhs. Then there is IQVIA offering 8.5 lakhs. Then there is ZS Associates. Sorry, there is one more company I don't recollect. कौन सा था? Pharmacy Analyst. Even that is offering 8.5 lakhs per annum. Indigen is offering 8 lakhs per annum. Syngene is offering 7 lakhs per annum. नाइपर मोहाली में बहुत सारे कंपनीज आते हैं जो 7 lakhs 8 lakhs एवरेज पैकेज देते हैं You go to Niper Hyderabad highest package is going to be 11 lakhs per annum this year. Again, aspect ratio is offering 11 lakhs per annum. For an information, I guess आपके seniors भी रहेंगे नाइपर मोहाली नाइपर अहमदाबाद में नाइपर मोहाली में ये साल Accenture was going to come. Accenture is a company only which deals more with your